Have you heard about the lasagna soup craze? It's all over TikTok. Even SZA, the amazing singer, shared her version. Everyone is making it, and now you can too. Get ready for a warm and delicious bowl of comfort food. This soup is taking the internet by storm. It's the perfect blend of classic lasagna flavors in a cozy soup form. You'll love how easy it is to make. Let's get cooking. Imagine all the goodness of lasagna transformed into a soul-soothing soup. That's what this recipe is all about. We're taking the classic Italian dish and turning it into a comforting bowl of warmth. Lasagna soup has a rich and savory base. It's filled with tender noodles and a sprinkle of cheesy goodness. Every spoonful is like a warm hug on a chilly evening. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, this recipe uses simple pantry staples you probably already have. For the soup, you'll need ground beef, onion, garlic, canned tomatoes, tomato paste, beef broth, dried lasagna noodles, and your favorite Italian herbs. For the cheesy topping, we'll use a blend of ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and a touch of fresh parsley for brightness. Now that we have everything, let's head to the kitchen and get started. Making lasagna soup is easier than you think. It's all about building layers of flavor. Start with the base. In a large pot, brown the ground beef with chopped onion and garlic. This creates a flavorful foundation for our soup. Add the tomatoes. Pour in those canned tomatoes and tomato paste. These add a touch of sweetness and acidity to balance the richness of the beef. Simmer and blend. Let the soup simmer with beef broth and your favorite Italian herbs. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Noodles in. Break the lasagna noodles into smaller pieces and add them to the simmering soup. They'll cook right in the broth, soaking up all those delicious flavors. See? It's as easy as that. Now let's move on to the best part. Section 5, the cheesy crown, a symphony of flavor. What's lasagna without a generous layer of melted cheese? For our soup, we're creating a cheesy topping that will make your taste buds sing. First, combine the cheeses. In a bowl, mix together ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and grated Parmesan cheese. Next, season and stir. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and chopped fresh parsley for a burst of freshness. Once the soup is simmering and the noodles are tender, it's time to assemble our cheesy masterpieces. Section 6, twists and turns, making it your own. One of the best things about lasagna soup is that it's incredibly versatile. Feel free to add your personal touch. Veggie delight, sauté mushrooms, bell peppers, or spinach with the ground beef for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Spice it up. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat, or stir in some Italian sausage for extra richness. Creamy dreamy. Stir in a dollop of heavy cream or cream cheese towards the end of cooking for an extra velvety texture. Get creative and make it your own. Section 7, a cozy night in. Serving up warmth and joy. Ladle the steaming lasagna soup into bowls. Top each serving with a generous spoonful of that cheesy goodness. As the cheese melts into the soup, it creates a beautiful and irresistible swirl of flavors. Serve your lasagna soup with a side of crusty bread for dipping, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a final touch. It's the perfect meal for a chilly evening, bringing warmth and comfort to your table. Section 8, sharing the love. Spreading the lasagna soup cheer. Lasagna soup is best enjoyed with loved ones. Invite your friends and family over for a cozy gathering and share the love with a big pot of this comforting soup. Encourage everyone to customize their bowls with their favorite toppings, and enjoy the warmth and connection that comes with sharing a delicious meal. Section 9 conclusion, a bowlful of happiness. There you have it, SZA's viral lasagna soup, made even better with our easy-to-follow recipe. It's a dish that's sure to become a new family favorite, bringing smiles to faces with every spoonful. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready to experience the joy of lasagna soup. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us on social media. Happy cooking!